Hi, I'm Jeff with Motion Pro, introducing you to the Gasket Scraper today. Now this is the right tool for the job that makes the tedious chore of removing gasket material much easier. Now the first thing you'll notice when you open the box is the included plastic storage tube. This keeps the tool and its sharp blades safe and out of harm's way while being stored in your toolbox. Getting into the details of the tool itself, you'll notice this cool billet aluminum handle, which has a nice ergonomic feel in your hand, and also has this integrated storage slot for carrying your spare blade while not in use. Two blades are included with the tool. One is brass and one is steel. The steel blade is great for bulk material removal, and the brass blade prevents engine damage to the delicate aluminum surfaces. Both blades have the same narrow profile, which allows you to get into tight spots, and they can be resharpened to keep a fine edge. Replacement blades are also available. The Gasket Scraper retails for $24.99 and is available at your favorite powersports dealer nationwide. So go pick one up for yourself today.
If you like this video and like to see more, make sure to subscribe to Motion Pro's YouTube channel right here.